Hi, my name is Emily Anderson, and I'm an attorney at RSH Legal. If you suffer an injury that happens at work and is caused by your work activities, you may be entitled to workers' compensation benefits. There are 3 types of benefits, and we'll talk about each one at a time. The first type of benefit is medical expenses. If you have been injured on the job, your employer is required to pay for reasonable medical expenses that are necessary because of your work injury. These expenses can include hospital and doctor visits, x-rays, MRIs, and other tests ordered by the doctor, medications, physical therapy, wheelchairs, crutches, canes, and other medical equipment, and mileage to and from your medical treatment. In most cases, all medical treatment must be approved by the employer's insurance company. This is their right because they are paying for your treatment. If you get treated by a medical provider that was not approved by the insurance company, they may not pay for the treatment. To get your medical bills covered, make sure you are seeing an authorized provider. The second type of benefit is temporary disability benefits. These are benefits you receive when you are still healing from your work injury and a doctor has restricted you from working completely or has placed you on a restriction that your work cannot accommodate. These benefits start after the 3rd missed day of work and end once you return to your normal work or your doctor places you at what is called maximum medical improvement, meaning your injury is as healed as it's going to get. These disability benefits are paid on a weekly basis and are based on your average weekly wage. The average weekly wage is calculated differently depending on how you are paid, for example, hourly or by salary. If you are paid hourly, the average weekly wage is based off how much you made each week in the 13 weeks leading up to your work injury. Weeks that are abnormally high or abnormally low are thrown out. Overtime can be included, but those hours are calculated at your normal wage, not time and a half. Regular bonuses and shift differential are also included. Insurance companies often calculate a worker's weekly wage incorrectly, so their calculations should be double-checked. The third type of benefit is permanent disability benefits. If you have suffered a permanent injury, you are entitled to this type of benefit. How much you are awarded depends on the body part affected, your weekly benefit rate, and the degree of disability. Whether you injure a limb versus a more central part of your body, like a shoulder, hip, head, or spine, can make a big difference in how your injury is valued. These calculations can be complex and often depend on several factors. You should have a workers' compensation attorney. Make sure that you are receiving fair compensation for a permanent injury. Now let's talk about what is not covered by workers' compensation. In Iowa, workers' compensation insurance companies do not have to pay for your pain and suffering or mental anguish resulting from a work injury. Even though it seems this unfairly benefits employers, our system has benefits to employees as well. Our system is a no-fault system, meaning you don't have to prove that your employer was negligent in order to receive work comp benefits. The amount of compensation you are owed after being hurt on the job can vary between situations. The best thing to do is contact a workers' comp attorney to make sure you are getting everything you deserve. Call us at 1-800-433-0283 or visit our website, fightingforfairness.com.